Okay guys, welcome back. So today we have a full guide on Fansly. I'm gonna show you the main differences between OnlyFans and Fansly and how to make an additional 5K for each creator you have on Fansly. So let's start with the profile basics. Hashtags on your profile. You will add these hashtags to your bio and they will describe your content. So for example, if someone search Latina, teen, and your model is in this niche, they might be able to find your profile and you will get subscribers this way as well. So the first difference between OnlyFans and Fansly. So as you guys know, on OnlyFans, you either have a paid page or a free page. You can have both, you can have two accounts, but on Fansly, you can have free and paid on the same profile. So followers is people that can follow your profile for free. And they see the content you mark as free. And they can also message you, so you can still speak to them. And paid subscribers works just like OF. It's a subscription that they can pay monthly. And they can see a different wall, which is a feed, like an OnlyFans feed, but it's for paid customers only. So this is very good because it's a built-in sales funnel. People can follow you for free, see the teasers, etc. They like the content, and then they can upgrade to paid. So what I do, I have a 7 days free trial link in the bio of my creator. And after the trial ends, some of them will still be billed unless they actually cancel the subscription. On OnlyFans, you can only have one price tier for your subscription. On Fansly, you can have multiple. So you can have like a basic one that costs a little bit less, premium, VIP, whatever, you can charge more money. In each one of these subscription tiers, you can list the benefits. This is very important, so people know what they're gonna get for this price. For example, if they're subscribed to VIP, they might be able to order customs, etc., have more perks compared to maybe the basic subscription. Another difference is the content walls. So as I said, you can have different walls, which are basically feed, like OnlyFans feed, but you can have one for free for the followers, one for the subscribers, which is like a more VIP experience, etc. And you can also post locked videos, photos, etc. that needs to be unlocked and they're hidden behind the paywall. And then you of course have the For You page that we are going to cover now. So the For You page, Fansly is like a TikTok, but you can publish not safe for work content. So the advantage that Fansly has over OnlyFans is that OnlyFans doesn't have a discovery feed. Meanwhile on Fansly, again, it's like TikTok, people can see the videos you publish on the For You page, and if they like the content, they can follow the account, they can subscribe, etc. But this is 100% internal traffic, and this is what I'm doing on Fansly. I'm not driving any external traffic from Instagram, Reddit, whatever, because of course the conversion is way lower compared to OF, but I'm taking advantage of this opportunity, of this traffic that the platform provides to you. Just like any other social media, Fansly has an algorithm that matches the content to viewers. So for example, let's say you're a customer and you start using Fansly. You go on your For You page and you will see all type of content because Fansly doesn't know what you like. So if you open the Fansly website for the first time, you're gonna see everything. You're gonna see normal girls next door, you're gonna see transgender, you're gonna see gay, stuff like that. Based on the content that you watch more, that you engage with, then Fansly will start recommending you more creators in that niche. For example, you like blonde girls. You start using Fansly, you see some blonde girls, and you watch the whole video, and you like the video, you comment, maybe you follow. Fansly understands that you might like blonde girls, so it's gonna start showing you more blonde girls. If you search, let's say you're a customer, you search for hashtags, etc. As we said before, we have profile tags, so you're more likely to see creators in this niche. So this is 100% organic if you have quality content and smart tagging, so you're not tagging every type of niche, etc. You just tag your actual niche that describe your content, then you're gonna get subscribers for free. So be aware that this is not the best type of customer, because again, on the For You page, you can post not safe for work content as well. So you're gonna get lots of freeloaders, lots of followers that hope that you will publish not safe for work content, etc. They just there to see something for free. They don't want to spend money, but this is part of the game. We have this type of subscribers called time wasters on OnlyFans as well. So strategies for You page. Short videos perform best. It's just like Instagram, TikTok, etc. Keep the videos between 7 to 15 seconds because again, they have very, very short attention spans. Hashtags are super important on Fansly, especially on the For You page. You should use this website, it's called #Heim. And you have 4 types of hashtags that you can use, and you should use all of them. So evergreen tags, it's like big volume tags, very broad keywords, for example, like Latina. Then you have core growth tags that you can check here, flash momentum tags, so hashtags that are currently viral right now. And then signature tags. This is personal, you can have very niched down hashtags that you use. And this is basically based on your personal brand. Misleading tags hurt your algorithm score. So Fansly doesn't actually punish you if you use lots of hashtags that are not related, but if someone goes on your video and then skips the video because maybe you put a wrong hashtag, something that is not related to your model, then this is going to hurt your score. Post frequency, I try to post more. I try to post like 10-15 posts per day. Doesn't really work that much. I would rather post between 1 to 3 quality posts per day. The timing doesn't actually matter. If you want, you can publish the videos, you can schedule them in US rush hour. It's up to you, but in my experience, it doesn't really matter. You can, of course, plan your posts, whether it's For You page or posts on your main feed. You can, of course, use the scheduler. Content types that work. Again, guys, this is just like any other social media. You shouldn't overcomplicate posting. You just need good content. And this is true in all social medias. You can also repost reels that are working on IG. You can just straight repost to Fansly. You can repost the same videos all over again. It's up to you. And regarding explicit content, of course, it performs well. I prefer to not use it. I do a little bit of not safe for work, but it's always censored, so people will not be able to see full naked videos of the model because it's just not right with the type of branding that I'm using, but it's up to you. If you have a porn star, of course, I recommend you use explicit content as well. So regarding S4S, they work better than OF. I cannot really point you to a good service because I'm doing shutout for shutout only between my models, but usually these type of services work better on Fansly rather than OF just because it's a newer platform. So regarding chatting, you can control who message you. You can put some setting where people that are subscribed, so not followers but subscribers only, can text you. You can put a setting where the guy needs to have the credit card inserted on his Fansly account before texting you to be able to text you, or minimum spending amount, or you can just allow anyone to DM. I prefer this way just because everyone will be able to text you. You will just catch more leads this way. So you can also mark people as VIPs and they will have a different section in the messaging side of Fansly. And Fansly itself, it's a built-in CRM system. So it's not like OF where you don't have any data on the website on how much the fund spent on you, content you sent already, private notes, etc. This is way better on Fansly compared to OF. You can also send targeted mass messages, and you can schedule them as well. And you can also have these auto messages that are very cool when someone follows you, subscribe, sends a tip, or maybe uses specific keywords. So with Fansly, you can easily make an additional 5K per month for each creator using internal traffic only, so only the For You page. So this is free money, literally free money. If you have 5 models, this is an additional 25K per month with minimum effort. So the CRM that I recommend to use for Fansly, it's OnlyMonster. As of today, we don't have any chatting bot available for Fansly yet, but Substi is about to release their Fansly chatting bot in October. And guys, you need to take advantage of this opportunity now. After the video, you should already start to use this platform, because in 5 to 6 months, the competition will be way higher. I know many big players in the industry that are onboarding 5 to 10 Fansly models every single day, so it's gonna become saturated in 6 months from now. You need to take advantage of this opportunity today, start making money for the next 6 months, because it will not be as good as of today. In my opinion, Fansly will not take over OF, but again, it works very well as a secondary low-effort source of income. Last thing, guys, before we end the video, this is how you can get 85% payout on Fansly. So the platform fees are the same as OnlyFans. The platform takes 20% of your earnings. But if you sign up with this link right here, for the first 3 months, you will get a 5% discount from platform fees. So you will basically earn a 5% more. In order to do this, you just create an account for your creator. You don't need any special link or code for this step. When it's time to verify the account, you just send this link to the creator together with the login details, etc. The creator verifies, and after the verification is completed, then for the next 3 months, you will have this 5% discount. So this is it for today, guys. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel to see more opportunities in the OFM space, and make sure you also subscribe to the Telegram channel, because I'm posting daily and this is stuff that you will not see on YouTube. See you in the next video.